take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
This is Dronemask, and this is the perfect solution if you're out on a day where it's very bright, or even in a day like this when it's cloudy and the screen is not as clear as you'd like it to be. Dronemask is going to give you the clearest view on your screen you could possibly get, because it's completely shaded inside the Dronemask. Your phone fits in here very simply with these little clips. Now this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max with a cover, and it fits into the Dronemask perfectly. So any phone you've got will pretty much fit in there. So you put it in, zip it up, and then stick it on your head. And it is a fully adjustable, three-way adjustable headband to fit any size of head very comfortably. It's really light as well, very, very light. It also has a completely adjustable section that changes the distance that the screen is from the lens that you're looking in, which is the one single lens there. And that means that no matter what your eyesight's like, you'll be able to use it. You can also wear glasses and it will fit over the glasses absolutely perfectly, as I demonstrated in my previous Dronemask video. Dronemask are giving a 15% discount on sales of Dronemask throughout the month of April if you use the code that you'll find in the description box of this video. But even better than that, I've arranged a little deal with Dronemask, and I'm going to run a competition on this video, and the winner is going to get a brand new Dronemask sent straight to you from Dronemask. And all you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and in the comment include the country of origin of Dronemask. Now, if you don't know how to find that out, there's two ways you can do it. Click on the link in the description, which will take you to the Dronemask website, and you'll find the information there. Or click on this video here, my previous one, where I demonstrate more about this and I actually mention the name of origin of the Dronemask. So good luck to everyone, and I'm out of here.